Hello guys, welcome to DOFA Bike channel again. Today I'm going to introduce our new developed model in 2023, 5,000 watt electric moped, Tango. Tango has an elegant looking and strong performance. We developed two versions, including the basic type on the 𝐿1e L1, 45 km per hour, and the Pro type on the 𝐿3e L3e, 100 km per hour. So let's start from the header. Tango is equipped with a 4.8-inch VA LCD display. Provide all information including the speed, the battery, and the signal light. When we look into the left handlebar, we see the first one is high V and D beam button. Then below is the left and right steering light. And the last one is the home button in red color. Let's check what's on the right handlebar. Firstly is the emergency flasher. Then the button switch between day and night running light. The third one is the parking button. There is a speed controller besides. Tango provides 3-speed gear mode. Let's check the speed performance of the basic version on the 𝐿1e L1. In mode 1, the max speed will be around 15 km per hour. In mode 2, 30 km per hour. And in mode 3, 45 km per hour. We can make it up to 55 km per hour if we release the speed limitation. So how about the speed of Tango Pro on the 𝐿1e L3? In mode 1, the max speed will be around 45 km per hour. In mode 2, 70 km per hour. And in mode 3, 100 km per hour. The difference between GPS and the displayed speed is not more than 5. The last button is the switch button between drive and the reverse. Let's come to the front side of Tango. The unique design is inspired by the classic Vespa. All the headlight and the steering light are LED light. The size of front tire is 110, 70, 12 with 180, 3.5mm CBS disc brake system. So let's move to the side face of this scooter. The passenger's foot peg is comfortable and elegant. The hidden design charging port is on the pedal. You can hardly realize it when driving. Let's come to the rear side of the scooter. In the basic type on the 𝐿1e L1, you can find a strong 4,000 watt 全顺 hub motor and 120, 70 and 12 rail tire here. In the advanced Pro type on the 𝐿1e L3, it's a 5,000 watt side motor with a white tire. And the rear light is also LED light. The long and soft seats make sure the comfortable feeling of both driver and the passenger. Let's come to the inside part to check the batteries of this bike. Tango is equipped with double portable 72V 35Ah Li-ion batteries, and the duration per charge is around 200 kilometers. Tango has a variety of colors for your choice. EEC is ready and we welcome clients from EU and the global market. This is the end of the video. If you like this video, please like and focus on DOFA Bike YouTube channel. If you are interested in importing electric motorcycles from factory and start your own business, please visit dofabike.com for more information. Thanks for watching and see you soon.